This is the first official knife from SCK. It's an Asian-inspired utility knife. It was made from steel salvaged from an old chef knife. The steel is known as 1.4110 or X55 CR MOV 14. Features and design elements of this knife. It has a hand sanded blade, G10 and micarta handle. In future these will be salvaged materials as well. The shape has a choil for your finger here, which gives you a place for your finger to sit to help just keep it in a nice comfortable grip. It works for pinch grip, and if you are going up towards the point of the knife for fine detailed work, your middle finger will sit in there just nicely. The choil's been nicely polished and rounded over for comfort. The spine of the knife has also been rounded over and polished, also for comfort. The tip is a K-tip, which is really good for fine detail work. The blade profile itself has two distinct, almost flat portions with a little belly section in between. This is to allow you to do easy, rapid tap chopping for small, softer things, and push cutting for slightly bigger, maybe harder vegetables like carrots. The little belly is more than just a transition as well. It allows the knife to do a nice easy rock for small rocking tasks like garlic or chives. Moving into the handle, it is a palm swell in two directions, and that's nice and ergonomic because if you look at your hand, you've got that same shape. So when you're holding it, it sits nice and comfortably. So we're just going to do a couple of test cuts with this knife and see how it performs on various different foodstuffs. First up, garlic. Testing the tip and geometry. Some nice thin cuts. And then rocking for that super fine brunoise. It cuts very nicely. Now we'll do a shallot. Again, just using that fine K-tip. Nice thin geometry helps us go through as if it's not even there. And using the back section for the push chops. Nice and easy. Slicing mushrooms. Doing the tap chopping. Nice and easy. Cutting something a little harder like celery, we're going to use the flat back section. Because that section's almost flat, it cuts all the way through, you're not left with a concertina. So again, nice and easy, the thin geometry makes this a pleasure. Going to cut some green onions to test the little belly section for doing a rock chop. You can't go very high with a rock chop because of the sharp tip, but for small things like this and chives, it should be a pleasure. We're going to cut this carrot to check the geometry. It should go through without splitting the carrot. That's really nice. Good clean cuts. This will be another good tester of geometry. It's a Beetroot. Ooh. Beautiful. And tomato to see if the knife's actually sharp. Nice dry cuts. Really nice and effortless. Okay, so in summary, this is the first of what I hope will be many. Designed as an Asian style utility knife for light use, nice and light and nimble.